What's up guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to set up Android platform tools on your PC less than 1 minute and set up ADB to be working perfectly on your PC. First things first, you have to go to the link I provided in the description and download Android platform tools for Windows. Now after downloading Android platform tools for Windows, you have to extract it. Go to the folder where it's located, where you downloaded it, and extract it. I'm going to put it on my C drive. So after extracting it, what you have to do is to open the folder called platform tools and copy the path. Go to your system properties, go to advanced system settings. Now go to environment variables. Here you're going to click on paths and edit. After that, you're going to click on new and paste the path you have copied. And click on OK. Click on OK and click OK. You can open terminal in that folder. Now we're going to test one command to see if our device will be detected. The command is going to be ADB devices. Make sure you have developer options turned on your Android. And yes, it works perfectly. It has detected my Galaxy S20 FE. So that's how to set up ADB command, Android platform tools on your Windows PC. That'll be all for this quick tutorial. See you guys in the next one. Signing off.